What does it look like when 5 decades of art come alive? In bloom, a spectacular window to the art of celebrated artist Shipra Bhattacharya for 5 decades is now live at Kolkata Center for Creativity. From expressive women and blooming flowers to birds, animals, and dreamlike landscapes, every artwork here tells a story of a memory. Viewers can find sculptures resembling real life where each look, surface, and bend tells a story. Widely recognized for her emotionally layered works, Shipra has consistently explored the complexities of the human experience through imagery that is both intimate and symbolic. One can also notice how her practice has evolved over the years in terms of the mediums used and the themes themselves, thereby becoming a poignant reflection of the socio-cultural developments of her surroundings.
না আসলে আমার এক্সিবিশন কলকাতায় কমই হয়েছে। আমি এত বছর কাজ করছি সে তুলনায় বাইরে অনেক বেশি হয়েছে। কারণ কারণ কি জানি না সেটা। মানে আমার যারা দেখে দর্শক বা আমাকে যারা চেনে আমার পরিচিতি লাভ আমি বলবো যে কলকাতার বাইরে থেকেই হয়েছে বেশি। তা সেই কারণে কলকাতায় অনেক লোকেরা বন্ধু বান্ধবরা বলছিল যে অনেকদিন তোমার কাজ তো দেখিনি, যদি তুমি দেখো। আর যেহেতু বিকানির হাউসে হলো তারপর থেকে আরো সবাই বলছিল, তাই আমার মনে হলো একটা করা দরকার। আরে এত বড় এক্সিবিশন চট করে তো অর্গানাইজ করা যায় না, অসুবিধে হয়। শিফটটা অটোমেটিক্যালি হয়, এত বছর ধরে কাজ করছি তো। তখনকার সামাজিক অবস্থা, তখনকার পরিপ্রেক্ষিত, তখন আমাদেরও যে অর্থনৈতিক অবস্থা বলো, সামাজিক অবস্থা বলো, সবটাই তো অন্যরকম ছিল। এবং সেই সময় যেসব কাজ করেছি সেগুলো বেশিরভাগই একদম প্রথম দিকে আমি আমাদের শহরের চারপাশে বা শহরের মধ্যে যেগুলো দেখতাম চলতে ফিরতে, তো সেখানে অনেক কিছু দেখার ছিল, বলার ছিল। মানুষের অনেক ক্রাইসিস ছিল, 70, 80, 90 আগে, 90-এর আগে পর্যন্ত একটা অন্যরকম সামাজিক পরিস্থিতি ছিল। অর্থনৈতিক অবস্থা লোকের খুবই খারাপ, স্ট্রাগল অনেক ছিল। সেগুলো তখন আমার ছবিতে অনেক এসেছে। তারপরে আমি ডিজায়ার সিরিজ বলে একটা সিরিজ করি, সেইখানে অনেক মহিলাদের ছবি আসে আস্তে আস্তে। ওইখানে একটা বড় চেঞ্জ হলো। অনেক বড় বড় ছবি এঁকেছি, সেগুলো দিল্লিতে হয়েছে, বম্বেতে হয়েছে, বিদেশেও হয়েছে, তা এবং অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েটও হয়েছে। তারপরে সেখানে হলে একটা মেয়ে প্রাধান্য, সমাজে কি হয়, মহিলারা একটা প্ল্যাটফর্মের মতন, তাকে কেন্দ্র করে যেন অনেক কিছু গড়ে উঠেছে। একটা মেয়ে দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, সে যেন ধারণ করছে, তাকে কেন্দ্র করে শহরের আশেপাশে নদী, এবং নদীর চারপাশে একটা সভ্যতা গড়ে ওঠে। তারা এরকম যেন ভেসে যাচ্ছে একটা নদীর মতো, তার চুলটা যেন নদীর মতো।
For KCC, we believe very strongly that every artist should get a platform to show in Calcutta. So for me, this exhibition is humbling, is important, and I'm just very glad that she chose to do it at KCC because it's an opportunity, it's a learning for many of the younger artists. A lot of people believe that, Calcutta is really not the viewers, not the audience which appreciates art. But I completely disagree with that. I think the kind of exposure people have with art in Calcutta and the way they feel the art is very different from a lot of other places. I think this show is very important and I'm very happy that we are able to host it here.
It's a fantastic exhibition. I have seen this artwork and I'm totally mesmerized. The pictures are so real, the colors are so vibrant, so colorful. It seems that as if it's coming out of the picture and you can feel it. I'm so glad that in today's world where there's WhatsApp and we live in an artificial world, there are some artists who still believe in the so old school of art and they go for things like painting. But at the same time, I must also say that there's a huge turnout on a working day like this. So many people have come to appreciate this work. And I'm so happy that Calcutta is vibrant, Calcutta is alive, and I hope that Calcutta will stay like this.
I'm a very old associate friend of Shubhada and Shipradi. And Shiprati is a particular favorite who I've been following for, say, the last maybe 35 years. And at each phase of her work, I think, wow, she's really arrived. And then the next phase arrives, and we all get blown away. So, this exhibition, though I haven't had a chance to really look at it carefully because of the crowd, I'm going to come back and look. But the way that I've kind of glanced through things, it looks absolutely stunning. The detailing is absolutely superb. So I'm sure, like me, people will keep returning to this exhibition to give their full attention and, understand the depth and breadth of her work.
শিপ্রাদির কাজ, আমি শিপ্রাদি বলছি, শিপ্রা ভট্টাচার্য আর্টিস্ট, এর কাজ অসাধারণ। It's all purpose, all invasive and very detailed. I like the flamboyant and detailed color correction, color application, and the final output of her repertoire. It's just too good. I like the boats. I like the big panels and the sculptures too. She is a very, very talented artist for Kolkata, and we are so happy to have her.
I am standing at the entrance of Shipradi's absolutely amazing show. As you can see, the boats here, I was told which is my favorite, and I think these are my favorite pieces. Though it's difficult to say which is favorite because everything is so different and so interesting. She has actually, I think, excelled in all ways, and whether it's painting, whether it's sculpture, she has gone beyond what she normally does. There is some different styles also that she has experimented with, which I loved, some of the paint work, and I think everyone must come and see it, see the exhibition. Though it's not a retrospective, it's not like throughout a journey, but she has some very old works and some of her latest works, so we must all come and see her works.
It was a privilege for us to see the exhibition of Shipra Bhattacharya's paintings at the Kolkata Center for Creativity. We had been great admirers of her work for a very long time. In my opinion, she has a view of the interconnectedness of human beings and urban landscapes, which is pretty unique in the history of Indian painting, and she is definitely one of the most expressive and powerful of Indian painters right now, and all those skills are on show at this exhibition, and I hope people come in large numbers and view this exhibition.
Like a flower blooming through changing seasons, her work embodied perseverance and the enduring power of artistic expression. The exhibition, in collaboration with Gallery Sanskriti, will be on till 24 July 2026 from 11 am to 7 pm on all days except Sundays.